Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. And this video I'm making for all the people who do want to go for therapy and uh, they do want some kind of help. I mean, I'm not, I don't want to say directly that if you're going through some mental health issue or something like that. Mm, if you do feel uncomfortable uh, while going out, or you're not able to sleep, you're not able to eat properly, and something is there going on in your life, so how what you can do instead of going to a psychologist? What are the other things? What is the alternative you have? How you can treat yourself? Now I'm talking here about psychological problem, not which is where is the need of psychiatrist. I'm talking about where is the need of psychologist. So those people who are very normal, those who can understand what they are going through, those who can actually feel that yes, I am feeling uncomfortable and I do need some kind of help. So let us talk about them. I have cracked it by making a synopsis, to say synopsis or abbreviation. It will be 4A, and the first A will be acknowledgement. So if you're a normal person, you're not specially challenged or specially able person mentally, then you can actually acknowledge that yes, something is wrong, something makes me uncomfortable, something is there which is needed to be treated. There is a need to that you need to treat yourself. Until and unless you do not acknowledge, and how you can acknowledge, you will feel there will be discomfort, needs on everything while you're sleeping, while you're not able to sleep properly, you're not because you're having some kind of gas issues or something like that. I'm not talking like about that. I'm talking about something you're genuinely feeling inside, that something is broken and you want to treat that. So first thing, you have to acknowledge, you have to identify that yes, I something is wrong, something is making me uncomfortable, and you have to second A, you have to move to the second A, acceptance. Acceptance of what is actually wrong, what is actually wrong with me, or what is happening wrong with me, what is there which is making me uncomfortable, why I'm not able to sleep, why I'm not able to eat properly, why I feel why I'm overthinking about anything. So these things you have to accept. It can be childhood trauma, it can be some breakup scenario, or it can be like you are failed in some kind of exam. So you have to acknowledge that yes, something you're feeling, and then second thing, you have to accept it. Now how you can accept it, I can tell you the story. One of my student, he came to me and he said that ma'am, I'm preparing for NEET exam. It's a very, what to say, it's a very biggest exam in the world, right? And we all can understand the intensity, the type of efforts it demands. So he came to me and he said he is preparing for it. It has already he has already taken 2 years or 3 years for preparing. I said, what happened? You are not able to clear the exam. He said ki I am doing everything but it's not happening. Now last time he talked to me, he said that ma'am, when I was having my NEET exam, day before that, I was having my